ইউক্রেনের রাষ্ট্রপতি জেলেন্সকি বালেমাহেলে ভিডিও লিঙ্क माध्यम ते यूरोपियन यूनियन विशेष सत्र रे सेलेत काते आज दामान कथा ले सदर केनाय लेया कदाय जे दिसंबर जहां को हुयुकाना ओना मिद ट्रेजेडी काना आर लेया कदाय उनको जहां बांकु रपुद दाड़िया कोआ चेदा से उनको यूक्रेन काना को यूक्रेन रेन हर को आकोआ ओत हासा आकोआ फ्रीडम आर आकोआ जीवन लेकित तेको लड़हयत काना
present in the media in this session hall. You know, over the last couple of days, I don't know how to welcome and greet everybody because I cannot say good morning or can say good afternoon or good evening. And I cannot, and that's true, because every day, for some people, this day is not good. For some people, this day is the last one. I speak today now about my citizens of Ukraine who are defending by paying the ultimate price. They defending freedom. I'm very happy that what I've seen here now and heard here now, I'm very glad to sense this mood, the unifying mood. I'm happy that we have unified today, all of you, all the countries of the European Union. But I did not know, but this is the price that we'll have to pay. And it's a tragedy for me, it's a tragedy for every Ukrainian, tragedy for our state. I mean, this high price, very high price. Thousands of people who were killed. 2 revolutions, 1 war, and 5 days of full-scale invasion of the Russian Federation. You know, I don't read off the paper, off the sheet, because the paper phase in the life of my country has ended.